No, we're not making a cooking video, but in the last 90 days, I've generated close to 4 million views on LinkedIn Organic and generated thousands of leads in the process and collected multiple 5 figures in cash just with LinkedIn content alone. And the beauty of this, guys, is that I've done this with 3 types of posts. So in this video, I'm going over my exact content strategy on LinkedIn that allows me to get these results without chasing people, without sending cold DMs, without spending any money on paid advertisement. No, all I do is I post organic content, people come to me and they convert into our high paid programs. If you don't know who I am, my name is Jesse from Burgle and I run Authority Figures, where we help coaches and founders get inbound clients on LinkedIn. If you want to know how that works, check out the link in the description. I'm busy creating my electrolyte drink so we can go into the video. So let's get going, guys. As you can see in the screen here, guys, like I actually generated over or close to 4 million views in the last 90 days. And I didn't make up a number in the intro to hook you into the video. No, this is, as you can see, real life data. Like good luck like faking this dashboard. So guys, the first post that I want to go over is a classical lead magnet post. So before you click away and you think, okay, this is something I've heard before, let me tell you a few things that are important, because these posts, they get so much flack, so much bad reputation on LinkedIn, because honestly, most people just suck at making them. And if you do it right, what you see here is that this post alone generated 346,000 views, organic. 346,000 people saw my name, my post, everything, right? So this post is like, it's 2 months ago I posted this, and still 5 days ago, still people replied to this. Not only did I get 2,000 likes, I also got 6,000 comments of people raising their hands. So what I do in this post, this is like the most typical, I would say, application of a lead magnet post. I talk about a trend, a desire, or a problem. And in this case, I talk about, this is when Claude just, I think, released Opus 4.6, and when it started to be much better than ChatGPT, I used this trend, this development, in the context of getting leads on LinkedIn, because that's what I talk about. I created a LinkedIn or a Claude mastery guide, and I'm like, hey, I hint away. So this is the hook, guys. So in this line, I talk about a trend. In the second line, I talk about that there is an instant giveaway, so people see, okay, cool. Combined with this visual where I borrow the credibility of Claude and LinkedIn, people understand it. It's very simple to understand, right? Then I add in a little bit of like how I use it, what's inside, comment Claude, and I DM it to you. And this is something I added later because, like you said, like I can't manually reply to 6,000 people. So I added the link to download the resource here. So this is by far my favorite post to get a lot of traffic, a lot of leads, a lot of exposure on LinkedIn. And in the 2 posts that follow, that I explain to you in a second, you will see varying like engagement rates, like different like numbers in terms of impressions, different numbers. But in my content strategy, guys, which is obviously the purpose of this video, I have all these elements. Like I know this lead magnet post serves a specific purpose. Then I have different posts that serve a different posts that serve a different purpose. So this is, if you are familiar with my LinkedIn content, one of the posts that I do at least 4 to 5 times a week. Why? Because I want to reach as many people as possible, get them into my orbit, nurture them through the rest of my content or through their YouTube videos. Like the chances that you have seen some of my lead magnets and that you're therefore in my YouTube channel or my YouTube content is pretty high. Because LinkedIn for me is top of funnel, YouTube is middle of funnel, if you're familiar with that terminology. And this is by far just still the number one post to get, the number one type of post to get massive reach, massive eyeballs on LinkedIn. And it doesn't stop there, because you might be thinking and be skeptical, which I fully understand. Okay, Jesse, just comments, just likes, just impressions, they don't pay the bills, right? And that's perfectly clear, but that's a discussion for a different video. So the second type of content, guys, is similar but different. still I give away a resource. In this case, I give away a LinkedIn profile audit, but I make the post so damn valuable that this post alone is already value enough for people. Because as you can see in this screenshot, I'm basically giving people already how to optimize the LinkedIn profile. The profile picture, the headline, the services page, literally like in detail how to set it up. I have examples here. I have the banner, the about section, the feature section, everything is in there, right? Plus, then I'm like, hey, I also built this LinkedIn profile audit in Claude, set it up once, run it forever, takes about 10 minutes. The original call to action was, hey, comment this. I think the keyword was skill. And then I send it to you. But again, this post absolutely blew up, like 2,000 plus comments, 816 likes, including my own, because I have to like my own stuff, right? Because you have to be your number one fan yourself. Over 160,000 people saw this post, and it's still just raging. It's like 3 days ago. And obviously, I added the link here for people to get access straight away. And as you can see, the inbox is just always blowing up for me. Just always getting email messages. And that's why I'm such a big fan of content, because I push content, people come to me. I can help them. They can either get value out of my content, whether it is YouTube or the LinkedIn content. And that's everything that we do with our clients. Like I said, if you're interested in learning more about that, check out the link in the description about how we do that inside of Authority Figures. So guys, very similar. Like I talk about here, I talk about the trend. In this case, I talk about Claude and LinkedIn as well, because that's currently one of the metas on LinkedIn. So that's definitely a wave that I'm riding. But in your context, guys, you're a coach, consultant, service provider. I argue that you can use Claude, but in the context of what you do. Here, I explain a little bit about the skill, and then I'm like, hey, here's how I use it to get more leads. So I've added some authority here. I've helped 100 plus clients fix their profile over the last 2 years alone. And then I share a little bit about the mistakes. So there is value in this. And then hey, if you want to take this to the next step, download this thing. Or at least, like I said, the visual here is already helping people, because here, literally like in the headline, I'm like, hey, show the value, keep it simple, speak to the dream outcome. I'm literally giving you, boom, look, the formatting, the structure, which I also use. I help coaches and founders turn LinkedIn into the #1 client acquisition channel. Helping, and then this is a placeholder, obviously, like target market, achieve specific outcome in time frame with unique market, right? Boom. So in this post alone, I'm giving so much value. So this is one of my other favorites. So I combine this as like I built a little bit of authority. I educate a little bit. Plus, I'm always making sure that I give people the next step. Because when I do this, when I'm like, hey, if you want to take this to the next step, comment this and I sent you that, I drive all this engagement. So that means that LinkedIn sees that I'm having so many comments and just push it to more people. So I would argue that in like 3, 4, 5 days from now, this post easily had like 150,000 impressions. And there's nothing extra I need to do. This post now just goes out, reaches more people. And this is why I'm so passionate about content, guys, because this is like a 24/7 sales asset for me. It just goes on and it reaches other people's timeline. They see my headline, Jesse van Breugel, or they see my name, my picture, they see the headline, and if they're interested in what we do, they say, hey, let me click on this. Oh, cool. He's running a program to helping founders add 10K per month with LinkedIn. Okay, cool. Oh, I can join for only $57 a week. Cool. Let me check that out. Oh, there is even a guarantee. Interesting, right? So this post is just a salesperson for me. Like I can go on with my day, like I train a lot, I run every day, I lift every day, so I can do those things, or I can work with our clients instead of me having to chase people. No, my content is reaching all these people. And this is why in the beginning of this video, I said I only need 3 types of posts and then just figure out how to make them better every single time. And then the last one, guys, the last type of post, that this is very new. So this is some of the alpha that I'm getting with you. What I've done here is I've used a lead magnet resource that performed very well. It's literally this skill, this audit that I gave away here. I'm like, cool. It's not the first time that this went viral in the last few weeks. I think this resource alone is very, very high demand. I'm like, cool, I can do something with it. So what I did, I created a workflow within Claude Design to create this carousel. And this is pretty sick. It took me a few rounds, but now I have a workflow for that. So this carousel, this PDF, is just completely generated with Claude Design. By the way, guys, if you want to see how that works, how I've done that, just comment under this video on YouTube, comment design, and I will create that video over the next few weeks. It's super clear, and I like it. As you can see, there's again a giveaway in there. And this is just one of the tests that I've been running, but this is, I grew my audience last year extensively with carousels. So I'm very glad to see that so far in the first 3 hours, this one is it's a slow burner, but it's working very well. And again, I talk about a trend. I add some authority. I hinted the giveaway. So hopefully you start to see the pattern, right? So with this post, I educate a little bit, I share some authority a little bit, and I'm always optimizing for the next thing, because I don't want people just to see my post, like the post, because then the engagement, then it just stays on LinkedIn, right? No, I want people to take the next step. The same for you. Like if you watch this video and you want to, for example, get started with this LinkedIn profile audit, what I will do is I will drop that in the YouTube description as well. But I want you to take action, because you can consume all the information you want, but it doesn't get you to the next level, right? And I assume that you're watching this video because you want to get more leads from LinkedIn, you want to get more clients from LinkedIn, you understand the platform has a benefit for your business, otherwise you wouldn't make it to this part of the video. So hopefully, guys, you start to see how all these things work together, right? So there are a few things that I just repeat. There are specific waves. Currently for me, it's Claude in the context of LinkedIn lead gen. And then I just use that to give a resource away. I use that to educate my audience, but also give a resource away. And in this case, I went even deeper with the education, right? As you can see here, I'm doing the exact same thing as in this visual, right? I talk about the headline here, and I talk about the headline here. And this is one of the meta skills that I want you to understand about LinkedIn, guys. You want to find 100 ways to talk about the same thing, right? Because I don't need to reinvent the wheel every single day. And I need to educate my audience on things that are very important. And I know in this context, a LinkedIn profile is the foundation of everything you do. Like if your LinkedIn profile is not optimized, you are not getting leads, not getting clients from LinkedIn. So on this topic, I at least talk about it every week, once or twice. Why? Because there are always new people in my audience. As you can see, the inbox is always I'm always getting DMs from Jane, Ronald, Bill, so I will get back to you guys in a second after this video. But as you can see, I'm always reaching new people. And this is one of the reasons that, as you can see, in the last 90 days, I've generated over 4 million views, organic. Like I did not spend a single dollar on paid advertisement, and I didn't like beg people to engage with my content. Look, no, I'm just pushing content, and then it reaches the right people, they take the next step, and so on, so on. So guys, if you're interested in learning more about how this works, check out the link in the description, take you to the Notions page that I just showed with you. And with that being said, guys, I will catch you in the next video. Cheers, bye.